What's up, guys? I want to see what kind of gains we can get just by doing something simple. Something as simple as throwing some bigger tires on. The one thing I've noticed about this Terminator is that the air control kind of sucks. It's okay, but it could definitely be better. So we're going with the same offset, maybe a little bit less, and a little bit bigger diameter wheel. It's gonna be something like that. I'm hoping it'll help with stability too. We'll just have to see. Alright, here we go. Bring it out of TPU. About 95. All right. What I was going for. Oh yeah, I can dig it. Not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of a difference. It's nothing crazy, but it is a difference. Alright, let's see what that can do. Okay. See if there's any noticeable gains or not. Hope I didn't go too big. Sure can grip. Whew. Yeah, I like to get used to that. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Oh yeah, this thing's flying. Oh man, what a difference. Huge difference. Man. What an absolute difference there. Alright. Alright, well there you have it. I'm not sure how much that is the new ESP and motor, or if it's everything combined, but man, this thing's big. Golly. Well, there you guys have it. If you want some more air control, that's all you got to do for the Terminator. That's how it's came. Yeah. That's a quick one. Alright, well there you guys have it. If you want some more air control, you know what to do. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Why don't you hit that subscribe button on the way out? Appreciate you guys watching.